Have you ever wondered how AOOA racing caliper covers are made? Well, today we're going to find that out together. First is the parts manufacturing, where the buckles and the design parts are manufactured. These follow a strict and precise manufacturing process to ensure top-quality product. Then next is the grinding process, where the rough edges of the caliper covers are grinded to make sure they're smooth before painting. After ensuring that the caliper covers are smooth, they are then spray painted via powder coating to provide protection against wear, protection, impact, and weather. Also, it ensures vibrant color and lasts long. After checking the paint, the design parts and the buckles are then mounted on the caliper covers. After that, the caliper covers goes through quality testing to ensure that everything is intact and is in high quality. After quality testing, the caliper covers are then packed together with the nylock bolts, nuts, and other components that come with the caliper covers. These caliper covers are now ready to use for the customers to elevate their rides.